Hey, I'm Tyler.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You want to show me where you want it? Okay. So you want to just put it under there?
Yeah, I don't really know how they usually put it in, so.
Well, I didn't know if you wanted it there, or I can put it off to the side, or I can put it over here, whichever you...
Kind of a, maybe to the side of it.
Put it over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
They were saying something about not putting anything against this wall right here because of the doorbell thing. We have this here, so I think
that really shouldn't affect anything, but I can put it on the concrete so it's nice and solid, and I'll bring the wire through. Yeah. Where's the charger?
Right here.
Okay. New one, or you had it before?
It's new.
Oh. The reason I asked is there's a special nut to get the thing off, and I don't know where mine's at right now. So it comes in the package, so it's easier if you got one. But I have one, but
They don't give you it in this box, right?
they do.
Oh,
It's just I didn't know if it was used or if you had it, installed in another house. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Or at least I hope they have one. Or a accessory package in that.
Not in here. Yeah, I'll be right.
I found it. They hid it in here. So
Oh, okay.
yeah. And then do you want to save the box or?
Yeah, we can. You can just keep it.
I'll throw it over here and then. All right, and then is there a good place to slide the?
You just put it on this wall.
I think. How long you lived here?
6 months. So actually, no, May of last year. It's a little bit longer time frame. Wow. You have more experience than
Yeah, it's a growing neighborhood for sure.
I will be right back and finish.
Oh, no problem. This will take me about an hour or so.
About an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need to cut off the power?
Nope. If I accidentally bump anything, is there anything that I got to be careful of? Okay.
No, you're good.
Okay.
No worries. Thank you. I'll come back down in just a bit.
Okay, sounds good.